We are happy to show you our new Quest X10 IDmaxX. Based on the X10 Pro, we further improved the X10. The X10 IDmaxX is more powerful and more convenient to use. The perfect device for starters, intermediate users or children. The X10 IDmaxX is fully waterproof, super easy to use and brings very good search performance to the table. The big 28x26 cm Blade 11 search coil allows the user to find targets buried deep in the ground and to search big areas in no time. Clear tone signals or vibration alarm will tell the user that any kind of metal is detected beneath the search coil. In addition to the tone, a target ID between 1 and 99 will give a first indication about what kind of metal the object may be made of. The depth indicator will show the approximate depth of the target. With the pinpoint button, you can determine the position of the target more precisely. With the built-in wireless module, you can connect wireless headphones like the wirefree Lite or wirefree Pro. This way, you can hear every ever so small target very well, completely wireless. With the USB Type-C port, you can also connect wired headphones and charge the device. A full battery will last for up to 30 hours of detecting. The updated aluminum shaft can be adjusted freely between 133 and 48 cm. Fully collapsed, it is easy to take with you, even in a backpack. The new armrest is more robust than the former one and can be attached and adjusted by hand with 2 big screws. The 3 pre-installed search modes Park, Field and Gold are easy to access and perfect for beginners to set up the right settings for the search location at hand. With the custom search mode, you can individually create your own settings. The X10 IDmaxX is now available. Get one now and enjoy the wonderful hobby of metal detecting. Go on an adventure to find the treasures buried in the ground with the Quest X10 IDmaxX.